China dominates the global EV market through a combination of government support, supply chain control, and technological advancements. Here's how. Government policies and subsidies. China has aggressively pushed EV adoption through subsidies, tax breaks, and strict emission regulations. Mandates like the New Energy Vehicle (NEV) policy require automakers to produce a certain percentage of EVs. Cities restrict gas-powered vehicles through license plate quotas, making EVs more attractive. Battery production dominance. China controls over 75% of global battery manufacturing. Companies like CATL and BYD lead in lithium-ion battery production, supplying major automakers worldwide. Access to key raw materials, lithium, cobalt, through investments in Africa and South America. When comparing BYD and Tesla, both companies have their own strengths and are contenders in the electric vehicle (EV) market. However, the winner depends on various factors such as market reach, technology, pricing, and consumer preference. Here's a breakdown. 1. Technology and innovation. Tesla is known for its cutting-edge technology, including the autopilot, semi-autonomous driving, supercharger network, and over-the-air software updates. BYD, Build Your Dreams, has been investing heavily in electric and hybrid technologies, particularly in battery innovation, and is known for being one of the largest EV manufacturers in the world. However, it may not yet have the same level of high-tech features as Tesla. 2. Market reach. Tesla has a strong presence in North America, Europe, and parts of Asia, with an established reputation in the premium EV market. BYD, on the other hand, has an advantage in China, the world's largest EV market, and is expanding its global footprint rapidly. Its focus has been on both affordable and premium EVs. 3. Pricing. Tesla tends to focus on higher-end vehicles with premium pricing, though they've introduced more affordable options like the Model 3 and Model Y. BYD offers a range of vehicles, including budget-friendly EVs, making them appealing to a broader market, especially in China. 4. Production and sales. Tesla leads in terms of sales in several countries and continues to grow rapidly in terms of production capacity with its gigafactories. BYD is catching up quickly, especially in China, and has become one of the top EV manufacturers globally in terms of production volume. 5. Brand loyalty and reputation. Tesla has built a strong brand identity, with many fans and early adopters. The brand is synonymous with EV innovation and luxury. BYD is well regarded in China but is still building its reputation internationally. Conclusion: if you're looking at raw numbers and current dominance, Tesla might still be ahead in terms of innovation and premium offerings. However, BYD is rapidly catching up, especially in terms of production volume and affordability. As global EV adoption continues, both companies will play significant roles in the industry's future. The winner will ultimately depend on regional markets, technological advancements, and consumer demand. Analyzing BYD and Tesla's marketing strategies highlights their different approaches to branding, sales, and market positioning. 1. Brand positioning and strategy. Tesla positions itself as a premium, high-tech, and innovative electric vehicle (EV) brand. It focuses on cutting-edge autonomous driving (AI) and software-driven experiences, e.g., over-the-air updates. BYD markets itself as a mass-market, sustainable, and affordable EV and hybrid vehicle brand. It emphasizes battery technology, cost-effectiveness, and environmental benefits, e.g., Build Your Dreams. 2. Marketing channels and approach. Tesla. Minimal traditional advertising, relies on word of mouth, Elon Musk's personal brand, and social media. Strong direct-to-consumer, DTC, model, selling cars through online platforms and Tesla showrooms, no dealerships. Viral marketing and influencer engagement, Elon Musk tweets, Cybertruck buzz, etc. Bid. Invests in traditional advertising, partnerships, and sponsorships. Uses dealership networks and collaborations with fleet operators. Strong presence in government fleet sales and public transport, buses, taxis, etc. More aggressive international expansion with local manufacturing partnerships, e.g., BYD's entry into Europe and Southeast Asia. 3. Key selling points and messaging. Tesla focuses on performance, technology, and exclusivity, e.g., the future of driving, autopilot. BYD emphasizes affordability, reliability, and sustainability, e.g., green and smart mobility for all. 4. Pricing strategy and market focus. Tesla targets premium customers and focuses on the US, Europe, and China as key markets. BYD offers affordable models with strong sales in China, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. 5. Innovation and differentiation. Tesla, strong focus on self-driving, and software-based features. BYD leads in battery technology, blade battery, and hybrid solutions, DMI hybrid system. Conclusion. Tesla is a tech-driven, aspirational brand with a strong direct-to-consumer model and minimal traditional marketing. BYD is a value-driven, high-volume brand that uses a mix of traditional marketing, dealership networks, and fleet sales to capture global markets.